Hi guys, this is LT Survival. I'm back, still alive. After my return the other week, I found out that the video I had shot didn't exist in my camera anymore, so I had to reshoot, and that's what I did. So last weekend I was in a cadet exercise, couldn't redo it, and I didn't have time either, so slept in the field with a snow trench, which is a survival shelter, very small. The hardest part is to get in when you want to sleep and to get out in the morning, because in a snowstorm, pleasure to be in your underwear, trying to stand into your boots and not fall into the snow, which most of the time happens. But that's beside the point. Today is a kind of an update of the channel, show you a couple of knives I received recently. Not all of them that you haven't seen yet, because plenty of them out in there in my place. So let's start with a Ganzo cleaver. Yes, the famous Ganzo cleaver for cooking in the field. Well, strange blade shape, that's why I like it. The CF version of this one is stuck at the border with the new rules. We'll see how it goes, if they pass it through or not. Hopefully it's not going to be as smooth as this. Okay, because if the agent is able to flip it, ain't gonna come. So nice, really nice. A Ganzo again, 440C. We'll test it eventually. Another Ganzo in carbon fiber. This one is the first one, the cleaver. Sorry, come back to the cleaver. Oops, come back to the cleaver. Make a peculiar knife. It's a 755 from Ganzo. This one is the 756. Again in black, carbon fiber. Love the carbon fiber. I really do. Might have that knife in my collection, but not in black, so it's nice. This one, a tiny weeny one in S35 VN and titanium scale. It's not a locking knife, and it has a flipper. Well, kind of a flipper. So in whose shape of blade. Interesting blade, interesting, but very small, so no lock on it. A very gentleman type end of the pocket knife. Wi-Start. Really nice shape. A hole in the blade that's not round. A flipper. Smooth with bearings. So this one is a 440C, which is rare for Wi-Start. Okay, if I redo that again, okay, once you pass, you can close it there, like that. Scales are tough, they're gonna be ripping pants for sure. Another Wi-Start. This one is a small one too. Titanium scale on one side, G10 on the other, 440C blade. This one also doesn't have a flipper. It has a kind of a ramp there that you've got to use. I have not figured out how to open this knife yet easily. It just doesn't want to. Jesus. You can do it on the flat one instead of the grippy part. It is nice. I like the shape, I like the idea. It comes with a leather sheet, surprisingly enough. A small danglers that you put the knife without the clip into it. So fold the knife, put it in. It's a frame lock. Small but tough, with a frame lock, titanium scale with G10 insert. It's really nice. Inland. Nice shape. Rosewood handle, probably. The blade is 8CR13. Nothing special beside the wood that I didn't have. Unfortunately, it's a tip down only. Right inside clip. Ooh, bad deployment. So it opens okay. It's not as smooth as some, but it's a nice knife. Well, last but not last, the two last are from Reich. As I'm a feeble man. Yeah, I bought two more of the Reich knife. This one is the P121, P831 SF. Nice shape, smooth action, and thin. Not light, but thin, really thin. And it's not as smooth as I wished, but thumb stud are smallish, on the smallish side. This one is made to wear in a classic pants, I'd say, not your jeans type, because it's so thin, won't show up at all. And the lanyard roll on the back, stainless steel scale through and through, so it's a stainless steel, all of them 14C28N Sandvik steel, so really nice, really nice. And the last one, I dig the shape. I really dig the shape. The Hussard from Reich, and this model is 121B, the P121B Hussard with a deep carry clip, a large handle. I'd say it's almost ½ inch, and it is comfortable in hand. We'll see how it is with that clip using it, but the lefty are going to find it very comfortable. It's getting late, sorry about that. So it's getting really late, and this one is smooth like a baby's bottom. That's not all. I bought more stuff than just the knife. I bought myself a new mic, a new lapel pin mic. This one has a 20-foot cable. It is amplified, so I can put the amplification with the camera, with the video camera. On the smartphone, I simply don't use the amplification. Like this microphone is not amplified straight into the smartphone, so this will be an improvement when I do outside stuff that I need a microphone closer. I'll have a range of 20 feet instead of 2 feet, so it's going to be pretty good. And I bought belt. I needed belt to replace my old, those leather crappy belt that you buy and they simply disintegrate on you. Well, I bought two different belt. As a matter of fact, I bought this one twice with the same buckle, which is the copy. Okay, the rivet are smaller, and I'm wearing the black one right now. And this one is kind of the original, I think. This one is in brown for light colored, for tanned pants, and this one black, classic black basically. This one is well built. It's a little more tough, and it feels tough, and the way the buckle is installed here, it's really nice. Okay, it's two buckles slipped together, one that moves back and forth. Okay, and to clip your belt into it. This one is rated 24 kilonewton in strength and 12 kilonewton on the buckle itself. So it's going to be my new belts for my pants when I wear them. Well, I always wear pants. I mean, when I wear those type of pants, or when I wear pants on the outside going to the field. So it's going to be like a combat or a tactical belt. It's going to be better a bit. So that's it. So I taped the review of the other knife. You're going to see it's a Ganzo that I had taped 2 weeks ago, but didn't have anything on camera. So this time I have everything, and I'll be putting that together. So this is to keep you wait a bit and know what was up with me. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.